Later in the video, we learned that the driver was okay and walking around when other officers arrived to help. Meanwhile, the suspect led police on and off the highway and through several neighborhoods. Finally, the call came in to pit the Nissan, leading to this final confrontation.
So that 3 units in the chase come up to heading back towards Southfield again. Vehicle.
He did a minor collision and been going for Gilchrist.
Gilchrist. I think there's still left on track, but put out to the Southfield. Speeds 65.
Do we have the units to 6 over?
Alright, northbound Southfield Church Drive for Fayetteville. Speeds 25. Just hit a pole, but kept it together. Coming to a stop. Alright, successful pit. Alright, successful pit.
Hands up! You move, I'm gonna kill you! Don't move! Keep your hands up! No! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Someone break out the window.
Let me see your hands! Keep your hands up! Keep your
Break out
hands
the driver
up!
window!
Do
Break
not
out driver
reach.
window! Break out driver window! Driver window! Driver window! I got him! Break it out! Thank you.
Do not reach!
Good. Cover, cover.
Unfortunately, we never learned the suspect's name, so we don't know what he was officially charged with. Police did recover a gun from the car, so we can safely assume he was the one who opened fire on the off-duty officer.